In this video, I'm going to be making roasted cauliflower steak. When you look at this cauliflower, you can see that it's golden brown. You can see that it's just popping with flavor. The real question is, how do we turn a raw head of cauliflower into a delicious centerpiece for your meal? So let's go ahead and take a look at exactly what ingredients I'm using to give this such flavor enhancement. So you can see just a few simple ingredients that we just mix together to make a rub. The first thing we have to do in order to get this roasted cauliflower steak looking prime and ready to put on a plate is we have to do a little bit of prep work to the cauliflower itself. The process is super simple. I just like to flip over the cauliflower head and break off the extra pieces of stem there, and then just take a knife and trim down on that stem a little bit. Make sure I get all of that green out of there. Brush the marinade onto it. We set the oven up to 425 degrees and roast it for 15 minutes. We then flip it over, roast it for another 15 minutes. And we have our cauliflower steak. The cauliflower, it is fork tender, and it melts in your mouth. This is the centerpiece to a meal that you can't have just one piece. You're left wanting more. It is absolutely fantastic. loaded with flavor, juicy. I love it. I'm gonna have it again. I would have this for any holiday. I would have it just for dinner throughout the week or weekend night. If I'm trying to do something nice and have a fancy dinner, I can use the cauliflower steak as well. All right, thanks for watching me. I'm your friend with food benefits. I look forward to making some more great recipes for you.